In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit menu items in the Shopify Help Center. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or simply refreshing your layout, having a well-organized menu can greatly enhance your user experience. So, let's dive right in and make sure your navigation is crystal clear for your visitors. First, you'll want to navigate to the Content section, which you'll find on the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your starting point, where all the essential tools for managing your online store's content are accessible. Once you've clicked on Content, you'll notice several options. What we're interested in today is menus. Go ahead and select that. You'll now find yourself in the Menu section, where you can manage the menu options that appear on both the header and footer navigations on your website. It's crucial to understand that this is where you control what your visitors see when they first land on your site or scroll down to the footer. A well-crafted menu can make the difference between a visitor who enjoys seamless navigation and one who leaves frustrated. When we talk about the main menu, we're referring to the navigation items located on the header bar at the top of your site. This is typically where most of your main navigation items live, and users often interact with these to find what they're looking for. So, any changes you wish to make to enhance the user experience should start here. Take this opportunity to review your menu items. Look at what you currently have and decide if these items are serving their purpose. Are they guiding your customers to the most important parts of your site? Are there any pages that you've added recently that should be more prominent? Once you're ready to make changes, start by adding or removing items as necessary. To do this, you can easily add new elements by selecting Add Page and linking it directly to the relevant page within your store. Maybe you've introduced a new collection or a blog section that you want your customers to see prominently. Conversely, if there are outdated links or unnecessary options, feel free to remove them. A clean, efficient menu ensures that your customers can find what they need quickly, improving overall satisfaction. After you've made all the desired changes, always remember to save your work. Double-check everything to ensure all links are accurate and working as expected, which helps maintain a professional appearance and smooth navigation for your customers. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've efficiently edited your Shopify menu items, refining your site's navigation and enhancing customer experience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the rest of our videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store.